Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to discuss an article that has to do with the new Road Traffic Act. This act is going to come into play February 1st, 2023. So let's discuss this article that's related to it. PPV operators urged to cooperate with new road rules. Minister of Transport and Mining, Honorable Audley Shaw, is appealing to public passenger vehicles (PPV) operators to cooperate in the implementation of the Road Traffic Act and regulations to minimize disruptions in the sector. What I need from all of you after we have the special program of transition into our new system, our new account, our new regulations is your commitment to follow the rules. You must commit yourselves to be disciplined, operate in a judicious, respectful manner to your passengers and to let us just lift up our standards, he said. Minister Shaw was addressing the Transport Operators Development Sustainable Services Road Safety Roundtable at the Boulevard Baptist Church in Kingston. The regulations passed earlier this year make provisions to better apply the principles and purposes of the new Road Traffic Act 2018 in ensuring safety on the roadways. The regulations cover areas such as fitness, registration, licensing of motor vehicles, licensing of drivers, certification of driving instructors, and licensing of driving schools, traffic signs, speed limits, and rules of the road. Minister Shaw said that the legislative measures will provide an opportunity for the streamlining of the sector. At this point now, where we are having a transition to a new act and new regulations, this must be a time for us to clean up the operations, he said. Minister Shaw met with operators and other stakeholders from the transport sector on the new road rules, which take effect shortly. The operators lobbied for a traffic ticket payment plan and expressed concern about having their licenses suspended for racking up significant amounts of unpaid outstanding tickets. They also appealed for training and the installation of additional bus stops along the Constant Spring Road corridor, where they can legally drop off and pick up passengers. Alright, so that's the end of the article. Now, let's discuss it. I'm going to read one section. What I need from all of you after we have this special program of transition into our new system, our new act, our new regulations is your commitment to follow the rules. Now, most of these persons did not follow the rules before. Okay? They got tickets, they didn't even pay them, never went to court. You've seen how these taxi drivers drive on the roads. You see why they get so many tickets. Now, I'm going to read another part. You must commit yourselves to be disciplined, operate in a judicious, respectful manner to passengers, and let us just lift up our standards. He wants the taxi operators to commit themselves to be disciplined, operate in a judicious, respectful manner. Okay, you've seen how taxi operators work in Jamaica. Okay, I have no idea what the minister is talking about, but the only way to control law and order on the roads is for the new traffic acts, is to issue tickets electronically from the cameras. It is to make sure if you have an unpaid traffic ticket, you cannot license your car. You cannot ask taxi operators to be disciplined on the road. I shouldn't say that. You can't ask all taxi operators to be disciplined on the road because they are the most indisciplined ones on the road, or one of the most indisciplined ones. It's just not possible. A person who has been driving a taxi for 5 years, running every red light, overpacking it, how does that person just wake up the next day and learn how to use the road properly, to be disciplined on the road? So the only thing that can help law and order on the roads is enforcement of the new laws. So I'm not sure why the minister, I guess he had to, as minister, make this appeal to the taxi operators, but we all know how this is going to end. Alright guys, let us know what you think about this article. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.